Hi everyone, I am getting ready to film right now. I'll be doing first impressions on J.Cat Beauty products. I was going to purchase their Aquassurance foundation, but they didn't have my shade. I watched Tali's video about it. Taylor's and getting lights, so I got really intrigued, but they didn't have my shade. So I only had purchased one eyeshadow palette. They came out with 3 and big highlighter. Big highlighter is not exactly new, so I just set up my background. I really need to buy a piece of cloth, another cloth. So I'm just going to see you guys in a few minutes. Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. I'm MissCheriess. In today's video I'll be doing my first impressions on J.Cat Beauty products. So they came out with 3 eyeshadow palettes. This was the only palette that I purchased because I didn't want to spend so much money, because I've been buying so many palettes lately. For example, the Pat McGrath eyeshadow palette. That palette was so pricey. So this one retails for $13.99. This is called Take Me Away Majestic Galaxy, and also I purchased their You Glow Girl Baked Highlighter in the shade Moon and Black. So before I'm going to do my tutorial swatches and my thoughts on this one, make sure that you are subscribed to my channel. Excuse the noise outside, because as always my door is open. It's so hot right now. In the morning it's really cold, but in the afternoon it gets really hot. So make sure that you are subscribed to my channel. Click the bell so that you'll be notified every time I upload my videos. Now without further ado, let's go right ahead. And here is the beautiful palette. It feels really lightweight. Feels cheap. Cardboard packaging was only $13. This one has, I think, 21 eyeshadows. Yeah, so this is the Take Me Away Majestic Galaxy. This palette really caught my eyes. It has a mirror, and here are the shadows. I'll be showing swatches right now. So the shimmers are so beautiful. The mattes are also beautiful. They are a little bit, some of them are a little bit powdery. So as you can see, it's almost like a mixture of I think it was mostly like cool tone shades. What do you guys think? Because to me this palette is a cool tone eyeshadow palette. So as you can see, they are so pretty. Yeah, I'm not really into cool tone shades. I've been saying this on my videos lately. I'm not really into cool tone shades, but these colors are so beautiful, like all together. They're so beautiful. So, and I cannot wait to use this one. I don't really need to get another highlighter, but I've been hearing so many good things about their highlighters. So I have the Moon and Black. So I'm going to do a tutorial right now. Let me prime my eyes. I'm going to prime my eyes with the Revlon Colorstay. This one is actually good. I've been using this one for 3 weeks. So this is the Revlon Colorstay eyeshadow primer. I'm starting off with the shade Comet. So this color is a little too dark to be a transition shade, so I'm so sorry about that. But so far I'm liking this color. It's blending out beautifully. For the lid, I am going to use the shade Light Years. So this is a metallic shade. So I'm going to see you guys in a few minutes. Just put on lashes and primer from Tatcha. So now I'm going to use the J.Cat Beauty Truly Yours Natural Finish Foundation. I've been enjoying this one lately. I reviewed this one on my channel. So this is in the shade Natural Beige. Next, I'm going to use the It Cosmetics Bye Bye Under Eye Corrector in the shade Medium with the Josie Maran Vibrancy Argan All Full Coverage Concealer in the shade Medium. So I'm going to contour my face with the shade Come and See, because this one would be like a good contouring shade. So for the blush, I'm going to use the Maybelline Fit Me Blush in the shade, I think, Rose Claire. Forgot that I purchased the J.Cat Beauty You Glow highlighter. So this is in the shade Moon and Black. I'm going to use this one with the Beach Cosmetics Pro Studio brush. So this is, oh wow, it is very powdery. So for the lips, I'm going to use the Beach Cosmetics Liquid Linen in the shade Jacqueline with the Dose of Colors lip gloss in the shade On Repeat. Excuse the noise outside. Okay, so I'm going to tell you my initial thoughts. The first one is the Take Me Away Majestic Galaxy Eyeshadow 21 eyeshadow palette. I never tried anything from J.Cat Beauty before, so this palette right here was amazing. The mattes and the metallics were very pigmented. They were very easy to apply. The cool tone brown shades, oh my god, I didn't expect them to be blendable and pigmented. Sometimes cool tone brown shades look muddy on me. With these cool tone brown shades, they didn't look muddy on the eyes. I'm wearing the shade Comet as my contour shade. On my dark area, I'm wearing the shade, I think, Eclipse. I didn't really need to use a damp brush with the metallic shades because they were very pigmented. I highly recommend this one for $13.99. I think for that price, the best palette that I have tried so far. And the last product is the J.Cat Beauty You Glow Girl Bake Highlighter in the shade Moon and Black. I like this one. When I dip my brush, it was so powdery but so beautiful. It gave me the wet look effect. I see the, I don't know if you notice the glitters on my cheeks. Oh my god, that is so pretty for $8.99. I don't really need another highlighter, but I've been hearing so many good things about their highlighters, so I'm really glad that I purchased this one. I have been wanting to try out their Aqua Assurance foundation. So let me know if you have tried anything from J.Cat Beauty, if you purchased their new palettes. This would be the end of my video. Please don't forget to subscribe on my channel if you haven't already. Give this video a thumbs up and hope to see you all on my next video. Bye bye.